Radio Indeks vam predstavlja skrivenu slušalicu. Danas smo pokušali da saznamo kako to izgleda kada stranac kupuje auto u Srbiji.
Da?
You're selling a car.
Yes, my English is not so good.
Can you tell me something more about your car? I want to buy it.
No, my English is not so good.
Because, you know, I want to fool you with the telephone...
jednostavno vas ne razumem ništa. Ako mene vi razumete nekako, ja engleski...
What are you speaking?
What type of...
Listen, you're being fooled with the telephone. Can you take your pen? Uzmi olovka?
Da, yes.
Can you write again my friend's name and his telephone number? I.P. Freely.
I.P. Freely.
Yeah.
I.P. Freely.
Yeah. I am...
Dobro, I am...
Dumb ass.
I am dumb ass.
How old are you?
No, my English is not so good.
Wow, that's cool. Call you later. Bye.
Bye.
Indeksova skrivena slušalica.
Ne propustite da čujete koga ćemo i sutra iznenaditi.
Samo na Radio Indeks.
Više zabave uz najbolji muzički miks.